Hi, welcome back. Another important tip. So, how to find the latest version of IDOC segments and real-time ECC or S4 HANA. Okay, let's try to bang the session today. So, I already explained in previous session, all these are the different kind of basic types or message types important. Along with that, okay, let's get back to the SAP system. Before going back to SAP system, if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get important tips like this. All these are the different courses. I'm just providing links below this video. This is one of the topmost course for real time. This one for IDOC school learning with 5 scenarios. The next one is getting master to write functional specification. And along with my backup course with 100 and plus hours. You can see other HANA courses also along with this. And let's try to check this. How to find it. It's very simple. Okay. So previously you have seen IDOC type or message type with W30. Now you go to W31. So that is the place where you can able to create IDOC creation or basic type creation by using W30. Okay. Either copy or custom extension or custom IDOC creation. Extension I'll explain you. Don't worry. So now see this. Before going to W30, let me show you one more thing. W02. Okay, you can take any segment for your reference. I'm just doing this one like this. Let's try to keep this one. This is the whole system. No IDOC setup till now. Maybe let's try to keep the 2013. Let me take basic type as invoice. Okay, invoice 02. Let's take this. If anything is available. Okay, no IDOC selected. Odd luck. Let's keep 2012. Okay. Still it is not available. Let's take out. We'll run for entire period. Now see some invoice IDOCs available. When it is got created in 2008, quite old system. This is, I got it one of my friend actually. Now you can see this. Let's open any one of the IDOC here, W02. You know that I already explained. In this transaction, for example, all these are the different kind of segments, header and item and related to pricing and whatever you call. So let's try to check, for example, even EDK01. Okay, this segment version I would like to know. Okay, before creation, E1 EDK01. You can able to see the version. What is the latest version? Top version is this one. Okay. So in the similar way, E1 EDP01. Okay, this is for pricing. Here, if you look at this, almost 10th version, and with when it is got last, what is that? Date of last change, they can able to get it. So here, so almost 2014, it's quite delayed. Okay, in the system, of course, whatever it is, a trial version, right? So you can able to see the segment type. Segment type is having either one or more fields, different kind of fields, right? That we will discuss later. So this is the version actually. Basically, you can able to find the version like this. Any one of the segment. So U1 EDP 5 is there. Yeah. So suppose if you see this item conditions version is this one. E1 EDK 04. You can take because I have some practice on segments because I have a working real-time experience, right? So some segments naturally you will remember. It's not a big deal. Once you start working and checking, everything is easy. Don't worry about that. This is how you can able to find the segment type version. Okay. That's it. If you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. I'm just providing links related to IDOCs. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Okay. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. Stay tuned with my channel so that you will get a lot of important tips like this. And if you subscribe my Udemy courses, you'll have I cannot say bundles of knowledge. Okay.